to talk about balance and how nature can play a role in bringing balance into your life. You know, when we're out of balance, it's usually because we're juggling too many things. And so those things may be impossible to let go of. But if you take a moment to go outside in nature and just let the balls drop for that moment, see the grandeur of the grass, the trees, the sky, the clouds. Just breathe that in. Let it soothe your soul and clear your mind, using the sky as a metaphor to really clear your head. And then look at those balls that you're juggling and prioritize. Prioritize. Toss them up into the sky and see which one